Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working with fractions with a problem related to TEKS 4.3D. We will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got four different distances, right? We've got 7/8, 2/3, 5/6, and 3/4. And we need to find comparisons that are true, but now we've got different distances here. And so they all four have different denominators. And so in order for us to compare, we need to have the same denominator. But we can also visualize it. So let's visualize it on some number lines, and then we will show the algorithm right here. So I'm going to draw some number lines here. And we're going to use this to kind of represent each person. So this is going to be Aaliyah and 7/8. All right, so what I want to do is I want to cut it in half. I want to cut each half in half. So now I've got fourths. And then I want to cut each fourth into half because 2 times 2 is 4, and that times another 2 is 8. So I got my 7/8 right here. All right, so let's get Ben. Now I'm going to kind of use this as the same benchmark as what we could do because we want to line everything up if possible, give us a good visual cue. So thirds are a little bit difficult. You just got to kind of eyeball what would be a good spot between, and it takes a little bit of practice to get about 1/3 and 2/3 across, but that's going to kind of work for me. This just gives me an initial start. We will go ahead and look at how to do that with calculations as well by generating equivalent fractions. So I've got Carla. And so Carla is going to be 5/6. Well, sixths are related to thirds. What I want to do is I'm going to cut my number line into the same thirds and then cut each third in half because 3 times 2 makes 6. Okay, so it looks like 5/6 is really close to 7/8, but they're not equal. So my drawing is going to be a little bit off, and that's why we want to verify with our equations. And then Dion, let's see what we have here. Dion has got fourths. Right, so we used fourths up here, right? We had halves and fourths, so I can just kind of use those. All right, so roughly, let's see, make that go over a little bit more, 3/4. All right, so I've got my different equations. We can start with Aaliyah's distance is less than Carla. Can we say that Aaliyah, 7/8, is less than Carla? That's what they're saying. I don't think so, but those are the two that are really close. So I'm going to need to do a little bit more work on that one. Ben's distance is greater than Dion. So Ben is 2/3 and Dion is 3/4. Okay, we can easily see that Ben's distance is less than Dion's. This 2/3 right here is less than this 3/4. Well, that might work because that 2/3 right here definitely does look less than that 5/6. So we're going to question mark that one. And then Dion's distance is equal to Carla's. Okay, so Dion is 3/4. And then they say Carla, well, no, Carla's is definitely greater. All right, so no for A and D. And we had a question mark, right, on A and C. I think C, but let's double check A. So I've got 7/8 and 5/6. So let's change those to equivalent fractions. So 8 and 6 both go into 24. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by 3's. And then my 5/6, we're going to multiply by 4's. We want to get those into 24ths. 21 24ths and 20 24ths. All right, so Aaliyah's distance, which is now, I can say 21 24ths, they say is less than 20 24ths. Now it's a little bit bigger, so that's definitely going to be a no. So I do think it's going to be C, but let's verify that as well. 2/3 is less than 5/6, so we're just going to take this 2/3, we're going to multiply that by 2's. 3 times 2 makes 6. And now I can compare 4/6 and 5/6, and 4/6 is definitely less. So my answer is C.